Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Friday's Daily Financial Report.
Australia's retail sales will be released at 1:30 GMT. Japan's CFTC JPY NC net positions at 19:30 GMT. The US Baker Hughes US oil rig count at 17 GMT. The US unemployment rate will be released at 12:30 GMT. Australia's producer price index at 1:30 GMT. The UK's CFTC GBP NC net positions at 19:30 GMT.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
US stocks rallied, with the Dow and S&P 500 posting their 8th straight session of gains after strong results from megacaps Microsoft and Meta eased concerns about artificial intelligence spending. Coinbase has announced it will suspend trading of the Move token, the native cryptocurrency of the Movement Layer 2 blockchain protocol, effective May the 15th. Coinbase cited the token's failure to meet its listing standards, sending the price down over 14%. The US dollar continued to bounce back on some technical buying after being oversold last month, with investors more optimistic about tariff deals between the United States and its trading partners. Volume was thinner as many markets were closed for the May Day holiday.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
The dollar-yen pair skyrocketed 1.7% in the last session. The ROC is giving a positive signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair skyrocketed 2.2% in the last session. The stochastic RSI is giving a positive signal. The gold-dollar pair plummeted 1.4% in the last session. According to the Williams indicator, we are in an overbought market. The oil-dollar pair exploded 1.3% in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal.
We hope that you've enjoyed Friday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.